Right, today we are not actually be playing this game. We're going to be playing Gorilla Tag for the first time ever. I've never played that game. But yeah, let's just get on with it. Okay. Right, how do you move? I'm using the joystick. Is it one of those locomotion? Oh god, it is as well. Okay, right, so I guess I'm walking. Okay, so I've apparently got to walk. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I've got to turn real light. Oh god, you cannot see anything. Alright, well, I'm going through, I guess. I mean, this is for you guys because some of you guys requested for me to play this game. I don't like this game because I've heard about it. I don't like it. But I guess we're playing it right now. Right, so. Okay, so. Right. So, what is this game about? I thought it was just. I thought she was pulling around for no reason though. Oh, there we go. Right, so. Oh, yep. This is exactly how it looked like for her. Right, so we've obviously got no. What's this? Wait, you can change your colour. I like black. Wait, can we actually turn it to the black then? Oh yeah, we can be black. Cool. What? Oh. Oh, okay, so I think I've been banned. It's already been banned. So we're just gonna explore, I guess. I guess we can't really do much. It has no menu? What? Okay, this game is actually... Nah, nothing against you lot, but this game is a bit awful. Right, so I've just frozen. Right, so I've just frozen. There. Check out the whatever this is. Oh, there's an arcade here. What? I love arcades. Right. Oh god, this is really annoying. I love. Oh, why is it going? I really only like moving with my joystick, so I don't really like moving with my arms, you see. Yeah, it says connection error. Maybe it's because it's a new account. Like the game says that there's a connection issue, which is fine. I don't really play this game. I play VRFS, so I guess this makes sense. Yo. Yeah, like I said, I don't really play this game, so like obviously it's gonna say something like that. I don't actually have not really played this game. Actually flying. What the actual hell? Okay. Still says connection issue. Oh, what's these? These like. Let's fly up. Wait, so wait, we could fly up. Okay, oh, you can fly. What? Now that is actually better than VRFS itself, because there is obviously no flying in VRFS. Apparently there's more than just this on the map. Oh, fucking hell. Okay, there we are. Well, I don't know. Oh, I think I know where I am now, right? Well, I didn't see that. I haven't seen this before. Alright. Yes, I've like, honestly, this is all new to me. Maybe. Oh crap, okay, apparently you cannot grab the ropes. That is... why are they there? Alright, so it put me like, I think the first part was just a tutorial or something. It's just some weird... Oh god, I'm stuck in a barrel, help me! Help me! Yes, man. Hang on, wait. Alright, let's see if, attempt to see if I can grab these ropes. I just don't like the fact that I can't log online. It just says that I can't. It don't work! I must be missing something. Is it the other button? Is it like the grip button? Oh, but just not a game for me, mate. Right. Attempt 3. This time I'm going to use the grip button. I missed. Oh god, it's so hard to control. Oh yeah, it's the grip button. Oh, you can climb it further up then. Wait, I'm back. Oh! Okay. Walking. As you can clearly see, I couldn't log online, couldn't speak to anyone, but thank you for watching. I'm still going to keep playing VRFS because I'm sorry, this game is not for me. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.